not a white ceiling fan. By the way, for anyone here who likes ceiling fans, happy National Ceiling Fans Day. I don't exactly know what fan brand this is, but this is what it is. I don't really know much about ceiling fans, but this is a pretty nice ceiling fan, I will say. Here's the top of it. I don't know what motor it is, so don't ask what it is. I don't really know ceiling fans that well. I can't even pronounce what it said. It was Casabianga or whatever. I don't know. I think it's probably a 42-inch. Not really sure. I'll turn the lights off in it. Show you what it looks like with the lights off. There. That's what the lights look like turned off. I'll turn it back on. They don't want to turn on. Oh, whatever. Anyways, I'll start the thing up, so here goes. I think that is low speed, I think. Oh, wait, no, that's high speed. That's high speed. Also, I apologize if my voice sounds off. I've been sick, so yeah, that's why I sound a little bit off, but it's a pretty nice fan. It blows a good amount of air, actually. So that's high speed. I will go down to, I think, low. Oh, wait, no, I guess it's a 1-speed. I don't really know. It's got like one of these custom things, so I can't really tell. Can't turn the light on. Weird. Oh, well. But anyways, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video for this fan. See the spin down time in it. See how long that one takes, but it's a pretty nice fan. I think it's a 42-inch, I think. Can't really tell. But it's somewhat a pretty nice fan. I do like this fan. It's actually my dad's ceiling fan. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. And Daisy, this is for you. I actually made this video specifically for you, since you like ceiling fans. And also, I got another thing to tell you. Unlike you, I have 2 white ceiling fans, and you're not a white ceiling fan. Anyways, guys, be sure to like and comment and subscribe, and see you guys later. Whenever this thing stops, I'll actually end it. Let's see. Will it stop? I don't know. Let's see. Will it will it stop now? Yep, there it goes. It is stopping now. Alright. But yeah, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed the ceiling fan video. Be sure to like and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.